The whole cast stood in the space in a circle. We then began to throw one ball between us. As we threw the ball, we called out the person's name who we were throwing to, and then they would shout out the person's name who they received from and who they were going to throw to. We then added in another ball. Our director then told us to consider an atmosphere, for example, bubblegum pink. We then delivered each other's names with this atmosphere in mind. We were allowed to experiment with our voice and also our movement. We then developed this into moving around the space, still throwing and catching the balls. We then changed from saying each other's names to saying lines that our character said in the play. We then took out all 3 balls but continued to move around the space doing this same exercise. We still had the mechanical movement of throwing the ball, however we were not restricted to the size of the ball and not restricted in our movement. We moved around the space, now responding to the atmosphere. This made us more focused and meant our movement and our line delivery was less chaotic and less rushed. We began to work as an ensemble, each responding to the same atmosphere.